We originally were looking at our lagoon system and ponds. We had a large amount of accumulated sludge from just years of use and neglect. There was actually some large areas that had no freeboard left in the lagoon system. We were originally looking at dredging it and then hauling. Of course, that was very, very expensive, wasn't cost prohibitive. When we came across the Nano Gas, it just made more sense with the cost. Still much cheaper. Realistically, we cut the whole project 1/3 of what it would have cost of dredging. Dredging takes a little while, but it's pretty fast, but it's very expensive. But it didn't take, I hear all these different things about microbes and this and that. This has been a lot faster than anything else I've ever, seen. It allowed us to get that capacity back in the plant. It also allowed us to get our longer detention time that we were designed for so that we were able to, be permanent. It's made a huge difference on the first pond where the biggest portion of it was. I mean, like I said, you can see the difference because over there was no water before. It was just sludge.
Stephen, would you recommend this to other municipalities facing the same struggles?
Yes, especially, smaller cities, for the simple fact that most small cities don't have that budget to go and spend, the money that you would have to spend on dredging. I found it very easy for the simple fact that, there wasn't a whole lot that I had to deal with on the project.
How did you find the money for that for your community?
We did go through and get it financed through government capital. So we're going to be paying for 30 years, but at the same time, it's better than having to get it financed and get fines from TC&Q on top of it. So either way, it was a project that had to happen. We have some development coming into town, and for development to come in, we have to have the capacity back in the plant. Wouldn't have been able to, have future development, add more houses and things like that with the reduced capacity that we had.